metal tube and plate fiber laser cutting machine. Applicable material, metal. Dual use, cut both metal sheet and metal tube. Sample shows. Cut 2mm stainless steel. Cut 8mm carbon steel. Cut 1mm-3mm stainless steel. Cut 1mm stainless steel tube. Cut 6mm carbon steel. Cut 10mm carbon steel. Cut 1mm stainless steel. This fiber laser cutting machine with standard 1500mm by 3000mm working area for metal plate and 6 meter metal tube diameter from 20mm to 200mm.